How to get $100 Uber promo code. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, in the search bar of a preferred browser, search for CouponFollow. Tap on it. In here, you'll find various of brands, deals to check out any available promo code, coupons, and discount. To search for your Uber promo code, tap on the search bar and search for Uber. Tap on uber.com. You can also enter your email and tap on Get Alerts to never miss out any of the coupon, promo code, or discount offered from CouponFollow. You can check out on See Details to see more about the details or what the coupon has to give to you. Now, in here, you can directly copy the code or you will see the option of Continue to this offer. Just tap on it and you might be able to go ahead to the official webpage of Uber, to which you may have to log in or continue to app. Once you are logged in to use your promo code while booking a ride, you may find the option of Use a promo code. Just add the promo code or the chances are the code has been already added. After which, you'll be able to receive the rides with a discounted price. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.